In this video I will show you how to change audio volume in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, the volume is very high. So how you can actually make it lower? Okay, so you will actually right click and then go to the audio gain option, and here it says you will select this one, which is like set gain, and then you have to actually change its value. Okay, if you want to increase the audio volume, you will actually drag it to the right, and if you want to decrease it, you will actually drag it to the left in minus values. Okay, so if I make it this one here, then click on OK, you can see that the volume is now decreased. So I will just now actually play this here. So now you can see that the audio is lower now. Okay, so that's how you can actually increase or decrease the audio volume in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.